What roles can men and allies play in advancing equality in women?
Well, if they can take our rights away, they can take your rights away. Women make up half of the population. In other words, half of the population is controlling the other half, and they don't have a right to do that. If a man has full rights, then a woman should have full rights. And I think that men, like lots of us, have wonderfully supportive husbands or partners in general that support their partners getting care because we're all in this together. If you're forcing women to have all these children, but they don't have any supports, then you're going to wonder why all these kids are crazy and the world's falling apart. Well, we can only do what we can do. I would have loved to have more kids, but I know that I wouldn't have been able to do it. But everybody should have that ability to make that decision, right? It's about having the right to say what you can do in your life, and all the men that support us, and not all men are like that. We love the men that support us and support our daughters and want to build an inclusive world, but there's that strong percentage that want to control us. And we need men to tell men to mind their business. Because not listening to women, but this system, it's non-negotiable. So there is no question. If the country wants to advance itself in a morally sustainable way, they have to also say that women have complete autonomy and human rights. And it's non-negotiable. So that's how we change the world, is we put those boundaries up and say, we're not doing this anymore. That women should not be forced as they are being forced in other countries right now. Use your position and use your power to speak up.